What is a good way to start 2020? What can you do in Holland in winter, except ice skating? Learning Dutch, of course. Join the BLC Dutch Winter School. 2 locations, 5 levels of Dutch proficiency, the best Dutch language teachers, and a great social atmosphere. The VLC Dutch Winter School provides intensive Dutch language courses with accommodation, so you can be 100% focused on learning the language. Outside the lessons, you can spend your time with fellow students, doing homework together, participating in social activities, and exploring the Netherlands while speaking Dutch. And of course, we will make it the perfect combination to make great progress. Enjoy your winter at the VLC Dutch Winter School.